Hey, my name is Restu Dimas Surya Pratipta with last name 386. Okay, Rwanda. Rwanda has beautiful landscape with mountain stretching from north south north to south. So it is nicknamed the land of a thousand hills. Behind the many mountains in Rwanda, there is an interesting legal system. In the country, such as the hybrid legal system. Rwanda, as a country, that was once a colony of German and Belgium, adopted many principles of both legal systems. German civil law is known for its systematic structure and clear legal code, while Belgian law bring a more pragmatic approach to the application of the law. In the country of Rwanda, there are also exotic animals that can only be found on the African continent. The animal is a mountain gorilla or Gorilla beringae that exists in Rwanda and can be found in the Vulcan National Park that exists located in northwestern Rwanda. The mountain gorilla is one of the two subspecies of eastern gorilla. Mountain gorilla are creature is by thick and more abundant than fur than other type of gorilla. The feather help mountain gorilla survive mountain temperature that of 10 drop below freezing. It is not spared from the exotic animals that are there, but there are also conflicts that occur in the Rwanda country, such a genocide marked by tension between the Tutsi and Hutu ethnies. This conflict has existed since the colonial period and continued in the post-independence period. This conflict is also influenced by economy. Political and social tension between the two groups in the aftermath of the conflict. Rwanda faced the challenge of rebuilding its legal institution and promotion national unity. The Rwanda government has since made concerted of effort to reform its legal framework with a focus on reconciliation and development. Major development in law in Rwanda. Constitutional framework in 2003, Rwanda adopted a new constitution that emphasizes human rights, gender equality, and the rule of law. This constitution has been amended several times to align with contemporary needs and international standards. And legal reform. The Rwanda government has enacted numerous laws that address social, political, and economic issues. These include laws aimed at promoting gender equality, protecting human rights, and improve access to justice. Rwanda is now as one of the cleanest countries in the world. The country implemented a decade-long ban on the use of plastic bags and packaging material. In addition, Rwanda also participate in a monthly clean-up action called Umuganda. Umuganda is a clean-up activity that is carried out every last Saturday of every month by Healthy Rwanda, aged 18 to 65 years. This activity include cleaning roads, repairing public facility, and building houses for the vulnerable. All residents are asked to carry out this activity from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Not only does it effort longs the country, Rwanda has customary law. Customary law in Rwanda is rooted in oral tradition that are used to revolve, resolve disputes between individual or group. Within a community, dispute dispute solution mechanisms are often deliberation based, where elders or community leaders play major as mediator. An example such as problems that are often resolved through customary law involving land disputes, inheritance right, and family conflict. Of the complexities and uniqueness of the laws that exist in Rwanda. The country also has four official languages, including Rwanda, which is more precisely called King R King Rwanda. King Rwanda. English, French, and Swahili or Kiswahili. Rwanda also has as a daily communication the Bantu language is related to the mixture of Niger, Congolese language spoken by almost all Rwandans. This is closely related to Rundi, which is spoken in neighboring Burundi. English and French have traditionally been spoken by only a small percentage of the population. Although English was designed as the language of institution in 2008. Swahili is widely spoken in cities and is still the main means of communication with Africans from neighboring countries. And the last interesting thing I can convey and at the same time close the discussion from the country of Rwanda that Gacaca court is like the Gacaca court. It's like the Gacaca. Gacaca is like the Gacaca court is community-based justice system used in Rwanda to handle cases related to the 1994 genocide. The system was established to address a large number of cases of human rights violations that cannot be resolved through the formal judicial system. The purpose of this court is to speed up the judicial process for genocide cases. Considering the very large number of defendants and this and is to reduce the burden on the formal justice system. And thank you. Good night. All.